Hello lovely people, and thank you very much for deciding to spend the next few minutes with me. Today's topic of conversation is courage. So what if you could feel more courageous every day? What would that be like for you? You'd probably be able to do loads of things that you feel you can't do at the moment. Handle difficult conversations with confidence, be more open, present your ideas, give your opinions with more strength and conviction in meetings. You'd probably be able to do stuff like protect your personal time with more ease and look after your well-being without feeling anxious about that so much. So if all that sounds good to you, then hallelujah, you're in the right place. There are 5 tips we're going to talk through right now that are going to help you learn how to implement courage. Courage isn't something that some people get and some people don't. It's something everybody can practice and everybody can learn how to do. Okay, so here's your 5 things. Step number 1, think small. Take a small thing. You don't need to think big. You don't need to be a hero. Just take one small thing that really matters to you, that makes you feel anxious, and decide that you're going to take some action around it. Step number 2, get used to feeling anxious. Don't run away from anxiety. Anxiety is an unavoidable part of being human. If you deny your anxiety or you distract yourself with something else, you're just not going to achieve your aim. So start getting comfortable with a level of discomfort and know what that feels like for you. Number 3, learn how to visualize yourself. Picture you achieving the perfect outcome. Picture you achieving that outcome in as much intimate detail as you can possibly muster. This is one of the great tips of all the most successful people. Being successful means being able to visualize yourself being successful. So think about the outcome that you want and picture yourself achieving it. Number 4, have a think about a time. Is it the right time to do it right now? Would you stand a better chance of getting a good outcome if you waited a little while? Or would there be more power to you if you got right on and stepped into it now? Have a think about how time can impact on you getting the outcome that you need. And finally, really important to me, I think this one really matters. Listen to your guts, your gut feelings. Talk to you about when and how and why you need to take action. Your values, your beliefs, your integrity, they live in your gut and they guide your actions and your feelings. So listen to what your guts are telling you. Listen to your instincts on this and make a decision as to, having listened, whether you're going to act or not. It's okay sometimes to choose that you're not going to act, but make it a conscious choice, having listened to your guts. So that's it. That's your 5 things. Now, turn your learning into skills by going away and taking some action. So pick one act of courage that you're going to act on today. Go forth and achieve the outcome that you want for yourself. Good luck with it. I know you can do it.